I'm ready. Oh, you got friends, we got friends too. Let's go, you and you, to the bedroom. Got a few things I need to tend to. Lately I've been rapping like the rants do. Oh, you got friends, we got friends too. Let's go, you and you, to the bedroom. Got a few things I need to tend to. Lately I've been rapping like the sleeping on the money, that's a cash nap. Clocked in $500,000 off the cash app. Do the feature late at night, the morning cash that. Call the Uber to the plane, hope they don't crash that. Lately I've been really focused on action. I've been confused where everybody seem like they're all relaxed and it's all talk. Hide behind computer screen, scrolling on your TikTok. Ain't you ever wanna get it? For real? Ain't you ever wanna get the Rolls Royce? A mansion down south, go and pick the whip, it's your choice. I can tell when she nervous, a bag of baddie at the club and dog I'm barely flirting. It's cause she feeling my vibration, she can tell that I'm worth it. I had some trauma in my life, I had that therapy working, you know. Now I'm at the crib making hits, when it clicks, throw a party then I talk to her, just like this. Oh, you got friends, we got friends too. Let's go, you and you, to the bedroom. Got a few things I need to tend to. And lately I've been rapping like the rants do. Oh, you got friends, we got friends too. Let's go, you and you, to the bedroom. Got a few things I need to tend to. And lately I've been rapping like the I'm drunk about to send the are you up text. Some days I'm really so confused on what is success. You heard my album and you told me that I'm up next. I heard my album and I told you that it sucks, yeah. Some days I feel like I don't know what I'm doing, but people asking for advice, I'd rather them get a clue and keep it real. Like this stuff ain't stressing me, everyone depend on me, so why you think I always keep this pen on me? At 25 I talked to God, I heard him loud and clear. Keep it moving, losing focus, lest the doubters near. So why you think I'm